Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you've seen in the description, is another ThredUP unboxing. They are my favorite videos to do. I'm constantly posting these, and I reached out on Instagram and asked what people would rather see for a new video, and people voted and you guys wanted to see the handbags again. So this is my second round. If you would like to watch the first round, I'm going to link it above for you. So the deal is you get 10 handbags for $90. I did have a 20% off coupon, so it brought my total down to $72, and they included free shipping because it was technically over $75 before the coupon, and so they went ahead and gave me the free shipping on it. So I think that's a great deal, and I'll tell you, this is a heavy box. They've definitely put a lot in here. So 10 handbags, sometimes they send more. Here's the box. My children are very loud. They're in the playroom, so if you guys hear them, I'm so sorry. But anyway, here's the box. It is heavy. I should have weighed it for you, but my scale is small and I don't think I could fit it on there. But it is very heavy, I will tell you this. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Rachel and I'm a full-time seller over on Poshmark. You can find me at TheScottCottage on Poshmark. You can also find me on Instagram at TheScottCottage. I post a lot of behind the scenes on Instagram, so if you guys are interested, totally find me on there. Okay, so they do have each bag wrapped separate. So here's what I'm seeing here. So the first thing in here is, of course, the invoice. Just mentions the mixed reject box of handbags, 10 items for $90. So you do know, if you've seen my videos, that these are rejects, meaning there could be flaws, there could be issues with them, why they didn't accept them. I'm gonna grab the first thing I see. Here it is, got this. There we go. So it's Juicy Couture. Here we go. I don't think I've ever sold a bag from them. So this is very cute. It has some embellishments here on the front, so I'm gonna have to just double check, but right off I don't see any that are missing, which of course is the first thing you need to look for, is things that are possibly missing, which could be why they didn't take it, but I don't see anything. Really cute, like tassel. It's very small. That could be why they didn't take it, because it's small. Very small actually. So here's the tag on the inside. So I don't know really how well this will do. Like I said, I've never really sold their bags. It's very clean, honestly. It doesn't look used, which that's how a lot of these bags are. They just don't look like they've been used ever. So yeah, I don't see anything. It's a fabric bag. There's nothing on the corners. Yeah, I don't see much of anything. So this should do well. Probably won't list it for a lot. Like I would say maybe 25, but I'll have to look up comps because I'm not entirely sure. Next bag. Here we go. Let's stick together, it says. All right, this has got to be Betsy Johnson, if I had to guess. Here's the front. Don't let the cat out of the bag. Ooh, wait, Daydream. It may not be Betsy Johnson. It reminds me though of Betsy Johnson. Nope, it's not. It's called Daydream. Never heard of this before, but it is cute. It has a strap to make it a crossbody. Very clean. There's the inside. Really cute. Honestly, you can tell it's not. I wouldn't say it's cheaply made, but it's definitely not an expensive bag by any means. There's what kind of the front looks like. So it has the little flap. There is some wear on the buckle. So there's that. Just a cute crossbody. Next, this feels nice. This feels like leather or something. Very thick. Ooh, that's pretty. It's gold. It has kind of a chainmail detail on it. Okay, here's what I'm seeing. This is really, really nice. I don't see any wear. Okay, it's by Phases, maybe? Phases? Oh, there's some kind of tag in here. I hope I can get it out. It's not coming out. Phases? Phase 3? Phase 3 is probably what it is. There's some kind of little tag in here, enhanced packaging. I don't think that's supposed to be in there, but this is really, really well made. It says made in China. So it has this that comes out to make it a crossbody, a chain. It can be detached. Huh. No, I don't really see any signs of wear. This is super cute. I like this. Very pretty. I'll have to look that up. It does feel like good quality, so okay. Moving right along. All right. Something else, leather. Oh, fossil. All right. All right. This is nice. Okay, so this is a tote, but it has the handles to be a satchel, or it has the crossbody strap. It's leather. I can definitely smell it's leather. There's a little bit of a mark here, but that probably will come out with some leather cleaner. Here's the Fossil logo on the inside. I hope you guys can see that there. And it also has it on the front. I don't know why they would not take this, because this is beautiful. It's well made. There's no flaws. It has this little, whatever this is, nice and clean. Gosh, I might have to keep this for myself because this is beautiful, beautiful bag. Yeah, I don't see anything, and it's definitely real leather. All right, yeah, so here's a tag, a Fossil cowhide leather. Definitely leather. This is beautiful. This will do really, really well if I don't need another bag, but I really like it. It does have some pockets on the side, zipper pockets, so that is beautiful. All right, moving right along, here we go. This looks like just a simple clutch. Ooh, looks very vintage, doesn't it? I think it is. It doesn't feel... All right, here's the brand. Fab India. Fab India. I have no idea. I'll look it up. Honestly, it feels very light, which could be good, but there is some tarnishing on the gold here, and it's just not in the greatest condition. I'll probably maybe sell this. I'm planning a yard sale. I'll probably just sell this in a yard sale. So you're gonna get bags like that. All right, here we go. This one oh my gosh, it's Fossil again. All right, Fossil. Now I'm seeing some wear on this one, but some good conditioner may help a little bit with that. It's not bad, but there is some spots. So they're on the front. So oh, the corners are a little bit rubbed too. So I'll try to clean it up, and we'll see. I'll probably still list it because of the brand. Some people like that worn in look. It has the crossbody strap, but it also has the little handles to make it a satchel. And it's very clean as always. Here's the Fossil. There's a Fossil stamp on the inside. And this seems like leather as well. Let me double check. Yep, it's leather. Very clean on the inside. So hopefully I'll get that cleaned up and, you know, get it looking good. I'll just, of course, just put in the description it does have some wear. But I think that's adorable. It has a pocket in the back, kind of a hidden pocket. That's cute. I'm great with that. So far so good to me. Next I see something coral, which is great. I have been picking up coral like crazy because it is the color of the year, and it's definitely a color you guys need to be looking for as resellers. So here's what I'm seeing. Kind of a cute clutch. It has this, has gold accents. I don't think this is anything too pricey. Let's see what the tag. It has an RN number, so I will look it up, but it's nothing fancy. It does look new, I will say that. It's in great condition. It looks new. But yeah, it's probably just Target or something like that. Still, I could probably at least get my money back on this. Maybe list it for 10 or 12. There is a little bit of some, like, almost looks like jean color here. I should be able to clean that up though. That's really cute. All right, looks like we have a few more left. This one is new with a tag, and it retailed for $83, but pull to open. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so it is a clutch, but it's like hard. It has this, and I don't know, you know, it has it on there. It says ribbon Dutch. I don't know, maybe I can look it up. I don't know about the brand. Pull to open. Oh, cool. Okay, let me show you. So it's closed, so you pull just on this like zipper and it pops open. It says L. Erickson. I don't know, but it comes with the dust bag. So that is cool. It doesn't look used. There's some dust in there along the metal, but it doesn't look used or anything. So this is really nice. Very interesting. Oh, I got some dust in my eye. There is no way to carry it like a wristlet. So it's definitely clutch. You definitely have to carry it like this. But that is really nice that it has the dust bag and everything. Alright, it looks like there's three more. I haven't been keeping track. Sometimes they send more than the 10. Alright, so I got something like this in my last bag unboxing. And it's just a like tote. This is by Remy and Reed. No idea, guys. Comment below if you know. I don't know. Remy and Reed. It's very basic, just a basic tote. There is some pin marks down in there. I don't know if it's leather, but it does look reversible, possibly, the way it's made. I think it could be reversible. So that, yeah, that's a plus. It doesn't feel like it's real leather, but I don't know if you could wear it both ways, but that's really cute. Something like this will probably go for maybe 15. I'll have to look it up though. Alright, two more. These are all totes. This is extremely big and oversized. Is that a pocket? Yep, there's a little pocket there. This is suede. Hobo, the original. So never heard of it. I will look it up. This is very basic, basic tote. Very large. This would make a great like diaper bag or something. It's very, very large. There is no structure to it, but that's the point because it's a hobo bag. So yeah, that's cute. All right, last bag. Ooh, this one's heavy, and it's some kind of tote. Brown leather. It's a little bit dirty. Let's see, right here, that might be a scratch or dust. I'm not sure. I'm gonna definitely clean it. Kind of that pebbled brown. Oh, it's LL Bean. Well, I've never sold an LL Bean. I've never sold anything by LL Bean, but they are a great company. So it's a little bit dirty in there, but I could probably clean that up a little bit. Has a pocket in the front. This looks like something vintage, maybe. Something a little bit older, but that's okay. This is nice. This is a very nice bag. It's very sturdy and heavy duty. And it's pretty large. All right, so that was it. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there were 11 in there. So something small was probably kind of thrown in there as a freebie. It's totally fine. So I think this box was great. There are some that I'm gonna have to clean up and list, but I think overall I'll definitely make my money back and maybe some profit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you all are new here, and make sure you hit the little bell button next to it, as it will inform you anytime I post a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.